just got done off the roof here, and I really need to get going here. We don't have time to mess around. Okay, so here it is. I got the measurements. We're gonna put it on here and see if this app can read it, so we can send him an estimate today. Fantastic. All right, I'll get in my car, and yeah, these are the notes. Okay. Oh, that was quick. 10 square. That's exactly right. I tried it before, and same thing again. Use these measurements. Next page. Now we're gonna put a new customer in if you want, or I'm just gonna find another one if I want to pull from myself. I already created one to keep playing with this. 1 West Main Street. Put the phone number in, city in, email, whatever you want, the title, house, barn, whatever you want. Now you go to selected products. In my price book, I have different options put together as a package. So for shingles, I have 4 options, packages, complete packages, metal roof, rolled roofing, commercial siding. You can build this out any way that you want. This also works for other construction areas, or it works for more than just this. So let's check this out. We're going to take the best value and the cutting edge. Already the prices are right there. Now let's say, you might say, okay, but how do I know what's included? You just hit this drop down arrow right here, and already all of this is included as part of the thing that's going on here. So now let's say we have pieces of plywood. We're going to put some more plywood on there, and maybe 20 pieces. Boom. It's supposed to pull in your price. If you have a price, it's going to pull it in. Your price is on the price book if it's connected. Okay, so it's connecting on the back side. You add it on just like that, and then you go to create proposal after you have everything done, and then now you can tap to add a photo on here if you like. We're just going to skip that for now. Intro right here, you can change that always. You can change that for your company, of course. Inspection photos, so we're going to tap the inspection photo. Take photo from gallery, take photo. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a picture of the roof of the barn. And then as it pulls that in, there it is. You hit edit and you say barn needs paint. Done. And then you can also do that one for the next option, do whatever. You just keep adding pictures if you want. You just keep adding all of those pictures. And then in the end, it spells out exactly what you got selected. And then you would go to sign now. They can choose better or best option. Then you get to sign right here. You go all the way down. So this is like a checklist. You just go from top to bottom, just slide it all the way down. They get to choose the one bid, whichever they want best. And look at this, even got the financing put in there, so you can put your own financing company in. All right, you can hit sign now, and you get to sign right here, wherever this is. Sign right here. Okay, save. And now you just created an estimate, and that was done in just minutes. And you gave them 2 options. All right, now you can generate the PDF if you want. This is going to save it. You can also generate the PDF, and you can email it out to them right from your phone. So you can download it like this. This might even be better to present it. A couple different ways you can do it. All right, and there it goes. Now let's go back to the front again. Here's the front. So let's say your guys are struggling with, hey, it's too expensive. You can just talk into what your objections are, or you just say one of these things, 3 bids, and AI is going to respond right back to you and say, hey, when you need this, this is what you reply back. So this is kind of cool feature also. You can also do repairs. Okay, let's go to the price book. This is huge. This is where you set all of your prices. And you have different tabs. You can build your packages right here. Price book items. You got AI assistant right here. You just say, hey, build me something. It'll build it for you. All right. And then you can search something. So anything with metal, MET. All of my metal stuff comes up here. Everything, all my items for metal. How cool is that? Add a new item right there. My margins I can set to anything I want, or import. I can just drag and drop Excel file right from my desktop, probably not from my phone. I should maybe make it so that we could take a picture, but anyway, so that's the quick over for this app. You can hook it up to Company Cam. You can also do memberships. You can search your customers right here just by search, and then do your recent customers. Everything in one app, one Quickbid. Snap right here. You can do a report like an Eagle View. You can upload it right from your phone if you save it. I mean, this is crazy. Or right here, you can enter your measurements manually. When you come in here, you have to actually select somebody. Just do it really quick here. All right. And now you want to go, it says there's a draft. There's a housing draft right there. He already has an estimate for that. So what you do is select products. But now because he didn't put any squares, and you can just do it manually here, you just put in 20. So simple as that. Bang, bang. All right. Enjoy.